Ooh, it's a nice chilly day to be out riding, but I'm going somewhere new, even if it is for work, so I'm happy about that. And riding a bike always makes me feel better. I mean, there are those really cold days and those really hot days in summer where I'd rather take the train. But when I sit on the train, I usually end up just watching Netflix or things like that, which, you know, which is fine, which is can be enjoyable. But when I'm riding, it just really takes it takes your focus, and anyways, it helps me disengage it's so easy to just be on your phone. It's so easy to just be scrolling through Facebook and through Instagram and just watching Netflix and all that sort of stuff. But when you're riding, you can't be connected in that way, and you can kind of disengage from everything else, and I find it very therapeutic, and just I almost always feel better when I go for a ride, even if I do come back a little bit tired. But anyways, enough of that. I want to talk about when you shouldn't take photos and motovlog or make videos. So one of the things that I enjoy about riding is going to cool places, taking photos of the scenery, taking photos of the bike, making a video, and looking back on those experiences later. And that's one of the things that I enjoy about riding. It's just part of it. I enjoyed taking photos from before too. I used to do painting and things like that, so I appreciate beautiful things, and I have a sort of an eye for those kind of things. So it's just part of the whole riding experience for me. I enjoy doing that. And another great thing about taking photos and video and sharing them on social media is that you get to connect with all sorts of people, and I personally think that that's the best thing that has happened since I started posting videos and sharing some photos on Instagram. After a certain amount of creating content and uploading and things like that, and you have a little bit of an audience. I really don't have many people watching, but you sort of start feeling, well, I found that I sort of feel that I need to make something for them, and I sort of have the pressure to, okay, I need to upload weekly. I should be taking these kind of photos. I should be making these kind of videos and uploading it, and you kind of, it can sort of make you, I found that I felt a little bit under pressure, like, oh, okay, I've got to create this for them, and that's, I don't know. Then you can kind of feel the pressure of going out, and you're not just going out to ride for the sake of riding and just exploring and think, okay, I wonder what I can see today. I wonder where my adventures will take me today. It's more like, oh, okay, I gotta rush, and I gotta go and get this photo, and I gotta go get that angle, and oh, I sure hope I get the sunset here because it'll look great on this and that, and you know, all that sort of stuff, and that can really distract from the whole ride or the experience. It doesn't enhance it. It doesn't, I mean, the joy that you get from looking back on those photos later on is sort of tainted by the whole pressure that you felt that day, of like needing to create and needing to get that perfect shot or all that sort of stuff. So I found that just I haven't posted a video for 6 months, I think, and I've been much more inconsistent with photos of Instagram, just kind of posting like when I feel like it, oh, hey, this is something that I enjoy, and it's not just about bikes, it's like food and family, and so it's kind of like, where am I going with this whole account, but it's just, you know, hey, it is what it is right now. But yeah, I found that, hey, there's a time when it's just best not to try to take photos, or even take a break from feeling the need to make videos and all that sort of stuff, because it kind of brings you back to the basics of writing and the experience, and that's kind of what I found over this last while, is just stepping back from making videos and posting photos regularly. It's all right. It's good. And as if you're a regular content creator and you're trying to grow your channel, and you are ooh, I missed a turn there. Maybe I will pull in here. Take a quick break maybe. Yeah, it's if you're trying to grow your channel and go somewhere with that, then it makes sense. You should be posting regularly, and there are some days that you won't feel it, but you just gotta do it. Wow, that guy's gonna be seen on the road. That's good. High vis cyclist. Psycho Cruiser would be proud. I don't watch Psycho Cruiser, but I have seen some of his videos. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's just my thoughts on when to post and when not to post. If you're feeling the pressure, if you're feeling pressured to create and you gotta make it and stuff like that, then maybe it's time to just step back and just go for rides without even a GoPro mounted on your helmet, or without taking any photos, and just, you know, see if you can get lost and enjoy the ride. And my bike is looking clean, but I did drop it the other day, so scratched, undercowl scratched, but new bearings on, LED headlight, LED turn signals, tail tidy done. Look at that, looking sharp, much sharper. And question, who else uses rock straps? These are pretty convenient. You just got to make sure that you tighten them when you take a break. Make sure that they're all good and tight, but they're very convenient, very compact, and yeah, so far working okay. Just make sure they're always tightened. Alright guys, quick break here and then I'm off. Catch you later.